Investing in real estate is likely one of the largest investments you're going to make in your lifetime, and it's very easy to make a mistake that might cost you thousands of dollars. I just don't talk about real estate investing. I live it and I breathe it every single day, and I own 9 properties. 4 of those are remote in Calgary. Well, I have insider knowledge and experience. I know the Calgary pre-construction market inside and out. I've done over 500 pre-construction deals there, and I know how to find you the best opportunities available. And I have proven strategies. I can show you how to scale your portfolio and how to maximize your returns. And I also get exclusive VIP perks. My clients get preferred rates and VIP services with top industry partners. And I also work with the top builders available in Calgary today to get you the best product available. And I offer end-to-end support. From purchase to property management and everything in between, I've got you covered for everything that you're going to need. And I offer honest, unbiased advice. I'll always give you real talk. No pressure, no sales pitch. Because your real estate investment always needs to be right for you. So it doesn't matter if you're a first-time investor or looking to scale your existing portfolio, book a call and let's start your journey to become a condo millionaire today. Go to condomillionaire.com/call.